Have you ever been digging around in a garage or a kitchen drawer or somewhere, and you find a tool, and you just stare at it thinking, what on earth is this thing? Well, today we're looking at a super clever AI app designed to solve that exact problem. It's called ToolWise, and it basically puts an expert right in your pocket.
All right, Section 1, the mystery tool. And yep, we have all been there.
You pull something out. It's heavy, it feels important, maybe? You turn it over in your hands, but its purpose is a complete mystery. And that one question just hangs in the air. What is this? And look, it's not just that you don't know the name. It's that you don't know if you're about to use it the right way or a really, really dangerous way. And it's that exact moment of confusion and potential risk that ToolWise was built to fix.
Which brings us right to the solution. Your pocket tool expert. So let's dig into what ToolWise actually is.
The whole concept is just brilliant and so simple. The best way to think of it is like a Shazam for tools. You just snap a photo and its AI tells you exactly what you're looking at. But getting the name, that's really just the beginning.
So how does it all work in practice? Well, the whole process is designed to be completely effortless. You just snap, identify, and learn.
It's really just 3 simple steps. First, you snap a photo of the mystery object. Instantly, the AI gets to work analyzing it. And then, literally seconds later, boom, you get a complete, comprehensive breakdown. It's a quick trip from total confusion to total clarity.
But here's where this app gets really powerful. It gives you so much more than just a name. The real value is in the incredible depth of information it puts at your fingertips.
I mean, just look at the difference here. Without the app, you're left with guesswork, which is always a risk. But with ToolWise, you suddenly have a full user manual in your hand. We're talking step-by-step instructions, crucial safety warnings, tips on how to care for it, and even what it probably costs. It completely demystifies the object.
And this idea really gets to the core mission of the app. It's all about bridging that gap, between that traditional hands-on knowledge that can sometimes feel like it's fading away and the incredible power of modern tech to bring it back and make it accessible to absolutely anyone.
And when they say accessible, they really mean it on a global scale. This thing was designed from day one to be a resource for everyone, no matter where they are.
Just think about this number for a second. 90 plus. What do you think that represents? The answer, honestly, it says so much about how ambitious this app is.
That is the number of languages the app supports. We're not just talking about English and Spanish. We're talking Hindi, Swahili, Vietnamese, and dozens more. This isn't just an app with a few translations. It's a tool designed to tear down language barriers in workshops all across the world.
And here's another feature that's just incredibly smart and practical. To identify a new tool, yeah, the AI needs an internet connection. That makes sense. But, and this is the genius part, once a tool is identified, all of that precious information gets saved directly to your phone. So your entire history, all the instructions and safety guides is right there for you, even if you're offline in a basement or out in a remote workshop.
So who is this really built for? As you can see, the list is huge. It's for the weekend DIY enthusiast, sure, but it's also for the professional mechanic. It's for the engineering student trying to learn the ropes and the longtime hobbyist in their workshop. I mean, basically, if you have a toolbox, you're the person this was made for.
So when you put all of these features together, what's the bottom line? It really comes down to one thing: enabling you to work on your projects smarter and, most importantly, a whole lot safer.
The core benefits just flow so naturally into one another. First, you understand the risks, which gives you safety. Then you learn the proper way to use it, which is a powerful education. That combo makes you more efficient because you're using the right tool the right way. And all of that together, it builds the confidence to take on pretty much any project.
At its heart, this is really what the app is all about. It takes that frustrating moment of confusion, that feeling of, what do I do now? And it completely transforms it into an opportunity. A chance to learn something new and to get the job done right.
ToolWise does this for the things in our toolbox. But it definitely leaves you wondering, what's next? What if every object around us, from that weird gadget in the kitchen drawer to some antique piece of farm equipment, could tell us its whole story with just a photo? How different would our relationship with the physical world be then?